What's up, family? What's today? Today is day 371 of trading, day 371. And we are down overall. We are down overall. Post market is crazy, man. Post market, you got Meta up 65 bucks in the post. What's going on there, man? They decided to shoot up. I mean, I could tell you that this gap needed a second retrace. I could tell you that for sure. And that's at well, first gap needs to close at 740. That's what I have that marked up here. This gap needs a second retrace, 741, 760. I mean, there's a lot going on. There's a lot of reasons why it does need to shoot up. It closed at like 670 something in the post market. Now it's up at 733. It closed at 668. Now it's up to 733 in the post. What does that mean for my Met U? It'd be $6.45. Speaking of, let's go ahead and take a look at the account. So today we're down $196.40. Total assets are at 16,650.63. My options account went down 184.50. My shares account went down $11.90. Let me take a look at the shares real quick, just to show you. Like if that Met U stays where it is, I mean that's $6 already that it's up. When you're talking about $1,500 on the day. We'll see what happens in the morning. But either way, the target target is higher than that, what I'm looking for. So just be chilling till the target hits. UNHG gave me $130.50 today. TSLL gave me $4.10. Moderna went down a buck 50. MetU went down 145. I actually need to take some money out tomorrow because I need to do some things over the weekend. So I need to try to figure out where I'm going to pinch off some bread. I don't want to take anything out of anything because I know they're all going to shoot up. You know what I mean? And like for every dollar I take out, that might be $10, a profit. I mean, so if I take out $100, that's probably $1,000 I could have made. But I mean, it's life, man. I need to do some things this weekend. So it is what it is. As far as my options account on TDD, my $100 strike price on trade desk went down $6. My $80 strike price went down 42.50. Pfizer went down 82.50. Beyond gave me 35 bucks, and Advanced Auto Parts AAP gave went down $88.50. So that's what gives you that negative 184.50. All right. So once again, on the day we're down 196.40. And go ahead and take a look at these charts again because a lot moving and shaking right now. Even Tesla post market, Tesla shot up 14, 15 bucks. See, this is where the post is. See, this is where we closed. This is the post. But once again, I mean, there's a gap to close up here at 473. But actually, I have a target of around 550. So I'm just going to be holding, man. No matter what, I'm just holding my shares until it hits it. And that, once again, that's the beautiful thing about shares is that don't have to worry about any expiration, any time decay. I mean, when it hits, it hits. And then that's why you keep hearing me say, like, shoot, I'm hoping to double this. And that's why I don't want to take any bread out, but I don't see where I'd be able to take any money out of my leaps. I just want to leave alone. Those are going to be the big, big ones. 1,000, 1,200%, 1,500%. So I don't want to take any bread out of that. So it's going to have to be the shares that I pinch some bread off of. So if Meta stays up, then maybe I take like a little 10 shares or something like that. You know, really only maybe need like, you know, $300. I got to pay some rent coming up, but hopefully I get my check and that takes care of that, or else I have to pinch off some more. Don't want to do it. Do not want to do it. Might just sell Moderna. but Moderna is gonna pop too. It's a tough decision, yeah, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Um, UNH, UNH is on its way back. Remember yesterday I was saying, man, I wish I had extra bread, buy 150 shares of UNH. If I would have bought 150 shares yesterday, this whole thing would have averaged down, went up 87 cents. So, basically would have doubled. Today's game would have been 261 if I would have been able to get 150 shares yesterday. It's one of those things. But anyway, man, as always, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and hit your boy up and you know, I'll hit you back and I'll respond. You could also go to TikTok. TikTok and IG are the short, like 3-minute versions of this. Try to give you guys, a little bit more love on the YouTube. Appreciate you guys checking my channel. Um, yeah, man, if you want to learn some techniques, if you want to learn some strategies, hit me up. You know, you already know what I'm doing as far as this. I'm waiting on my targets to hit. Um, got targets all over the place. Upper targets. The SPY, I'm not in the SPY right now, but I'm hoping to get my profits and be able to capitalize on this down move that's about to happen on the S&P 500. We'll see. But once it hits this line right here, it's over. Wherever it hits that, it's over. Boom. Okay? That's a little jewel for you in case you're playing the SPY. But I am very excited about Meta. Just hoping that Meta stays up, overnight into the open tomorrow and then keeps running towards my target. That'll be a nice, nice way to end the week, next couple of days. All right. So I'll let you know what happens tomorrow. All right. One love. One love.